Hello, good people. Once more, I'm unboxing a gift that I have received. Most probably, I received this from Fast and Up. I was a brand ambassador for Fast and Up in one of the recent run of SBI Green Marathon, and recently on August 15th, I have completed 74 kilometers of running. And for that, they have sent it to me, and it was organized by Sirens, and Saran has done a good job by tying up with the Fast and Up. And so I'm unboxing it. Let me see what's inside it. Fuel for your sports. Here is the first instruction manual. Here are planted seed protein, the new launches of Fast and Up. And to Fast and Up Ultra. Oh. 3 pouches, fantastic. And Fast and Up Reload. She is cola flavor. Thank you Fast and Up, thank you Sarans, thank you Rahulji, and